You pay $80 for an oil change. You hand over your keys, sit in a waiting room for 45 minutes, and drive away thinking your engine is covered for the next 5,000 miles. But here is what is actually happening in that service bay while you wait. A 2022 consumer investigation found that in over 12% of quick lube visits, drivers did not receive the service they paid for. Not a minor difference, not a rounding error, the wrong oil, the skipped step, the part they charged you for and never touched. After 20 years working in automotive service, I have seen these shortcuts run through every type of shop: national chains, independent garages, dealership, service centers. And the drivers who get hurt the worst are never reckless people. They are careful drivers, experienced drivers, people who have owned cars for decades and trusted that paying for a service meant the service was done correctly. That trust is exactly what gets exploited. Today, we are going through 9 specific shortcuts that shops take the moment your back is turned. Some of them cost you $2,000 in repairs, some cost $4,000. And one of them has been quietly draining hundreds of dollars from drivers on every single visit, with no warning light, no noise, and no evidence left behind. We are counting down from the most common to the one that should make every driver in America angry. And stay until number 1, because that last shortcut does not damage your engine. It damages something else entirely, and it is happening to millions of drivers right now without them ever knowing. Shortcut number 9, the double gasket they never checked. Picture this: you pick up your car, pay the bill, and pull out of the lot, feeling good. 3 weeks later, there is a small puddle of oil on your driveway. You bring it back. The technician looks confused, checks under the hood, scratches his head. Here is what actually happened. Every oil filter has a rubber gasket, a small ring that creates the seal between the filter and the engine block. When your old filter was removed, that gasket sometimes stays behind, stuck to the engine. A technician who does not check installs the new filter directly on top of it. 2 gaskets stacked, 0 seal. Your oil has been slowly leaking since the moment you left the parking lot. Repair if caught early. Free, they redo the filter correctly. The repair if your engine loses enough oil pressure before you notice. $2,000 to $4,000. Before you drive away from any oil change, ask one question. Did you check the old gasket on the filter mount? A good shop answers immediately. A bad shop hesitates. Shortcut number 8, draining your oil cold to save 10 minutes. Picture this: you drop your car off at 8 in the morning. The shop has 12 vehicles ahead of yours. To move the line faster, the technician pulls your drain plug without warming the engine up first. Here is why that matters. Oil is designed to flow. When your engine is cold, that oil thickens. It clings to the walls of your engine like syrup on the side of a bottle. A significant portion of the dirty oil, the oil carrying metal particles, combustion byproducts, and sludge, never fully drains out. It stays behind, coating the surfaces it was supposed to leave. Then the technician pours in your fresh oil, right on top of what remained. You paid for a clean engine, you got a half-clean one. And every 5,000 miles, that layer of old contamination builds a little higher. The fix is simple. Tell the shop before they start, please let the engine run for 5 minutes before you drain it. Any shop that says it does not matter is telling you exactly how they treat every car that comes through their door. Shortcut number 7, pouring in too much oil and never checking. Picture this. The technician finishes draining, grabs the new oil, and pours it in quickly, does not check the dipstick, closes the hood, hands you the keys. Most drivers assume more oil means more protection. It is the exact opposite. Your engine has a crankshaft, a large rotating arm that sits just above the oil pan. When the oil level is correct, the crankshaft spins freely above it. When there is too much oil, that crankshaft dips into the fluid with every rotation. It whips the oil into foam, and foamy oil cannot lubricate. It cannot create the film your bearings and pistons need to survive. Those components start running against each other with almost nothing between them, even though your dipstick still reads full. Over time, seals blow out, leaks appear. Bearing damage runs $800 to $1,500, and it all started from half a quart too much. When you pick up your car, pop the hood before you leave the lot. Pull the dipstick yourself. It takes 30 seconds, and it is the one check that catches this immediately. Shortcut number 6. Finishing the job without ever starting the engine. Picture this. The technician tightens the drain plug, installs the filter, pours in the oil, and hands you the keys. Job done. Next car. But they never ran the engine after refilling it. Here is why that step matters. Fresh oil does not instantly distribute itself the moment it goes in. It needs to circulate through the new filter, through the oil passages, through every channel in the engine before the level in the pan stabilizes. A filter that starts dry can absorb nearly half a quart of oil before it is fully saturated. If the technician does not run the engine, recheck the dipstick, and top it off, they hand you a car that is already underfilled before you reach the street. You will not feel it immediately, but push that engine at highway speed with low oil pressure and the damage happens fast. Engine failure from oil starvation runs $2,000 on the low end, much more if you are unlucky. Ask the service writer directly, did your technician run the engine and recheck the level after filling? If they say that step is not part of their process, that tells you everything. I had a customer a few years back, retired electrician. He had driven the same truck for 14 years, same shop, same service interval, never a major problem. One day, he switched shops because the new place was closer. 3 oil changes later, his engine started knocking at idle. When we pulled it apart, the oil pan showed residue from cold drains stacked on top of each other for months. 14 years of clean habits undone in 3 visits. He asked me what he should have checked. I told him, and it was the same questions we have already covered today. He said nobody had ever told him to ask. Let us keep going. Shortcut number 5. Installing a dry filter and handing you a ticking clock. Picture this. The technician pulls a brand new filter straight out of the box and threads it on without a second thought. Looks clean, looks correct. But that filter is completely empty. In the first few seconds after you start your engine, oil has to travel from the pan up through the engine block and into that dry filter before it reaches any moving part. Your camshaft, the component that controls when your engine breathes. Your main bearings, the cushions that keep your crankshaft spinning true. Your timing chain, the link that keeps everything synchronized. All of them are moving against metal with almost no lubrication during those first critical seconds. That is called a dry start. One dry start will not destroy your engine. But if every oil change for the past 10 years started this way, you have been shaving life off your engine one cold startup at a time. The damage is cumulative and invisible until the day it is not. A properly trained technician always pre-fills the filter with fresh oil before installing it. Next time, ask your shop directly, do your technicians pre-oil the filter before it goes on? The answer will tell you more about that shop than any online review ever will. Before we go further, if this is already saving you money, a quick like helps CoreCar reach more drivers who need this information. Now, let us get to the ones that really matter. Shortcut number 4. One dry rubber ring that creates a leak you will not find for weeks. Picture this. Your oil change was 3 weeks ago. Everything seemed fine when you drove away. Now there is a thin, dark stain on your driveway. Just a few drops. You bring it back. The technician scratches his head and checks under the hood. Here is what happened. Every oil filter has a rubber O-ring, a small circular seal that compresses against the engine block when the filter is tightened. That O-ring needs a thin coat of clean oil before installation. Without it, dry rubber grabs and twists as it tightens. It holds for a few days, then engine heat causes everything to expand. Oil pressure builds with every start, and the seal finds the microscopic gap that dry rubber left behind. A 10-second fix. One finger swipe of fresh oil on that ring before installation. That is all it takes to prevent this entirely. Check under your car 2 days after every oil change. A single fresh oil spot on clean pavement means the seal was installed dry. Catch it that week, and it is a free correction. Let it go unnoticed for 3 months, and you are looking at running your engine low on oil, and that conversation starts at $2,000. Shortcut number 3. The drain bolt cranked too tight by someone who thought they were doing you a favor. Picture this. A newer technician finishes your oil change and goes to tighten the drain plug, the bolt at the bottom of your oil pan that holds all your oil inside. He wants to make sure nothing leaks, so he cranks it down with everything he has. He feels confident. He moves on to the next car. What he just did will not show up today. It will not show up next month. But your oil pan on most modern vehicles, that pan is cast aluminum, not steel. Aluminum is lightweight and efficient, but it does not forgive over-torquing. The threads inside that pan are already slightly stretched. Each oil change, a different technician tightens it again. Then, one day, a technician goes to remove that bolt, and it spins freely. The threads are gone. The bolt no longer holds. Now, instead of an $8 drain plug replacement, you are looking at a full oil pan replacement. On most vehicles, that runs $400 to $800. On aluminum pans with complex designs, it can go higher. All of it caused entirely by someone else's mistake on a previous visit. Ask your shop one question. Do your technicians use a torque wrench on drain plugs? A shop that does this correctly answers yes without hesitation. A shop that says it is unnecessary is guessing every single time. Shortcut number 2. Charging you for full synthetic and putting in something else entirely. Picture this. You specifically request full synthetic 5W30. You have read your owner's manual. You know what your engine needs. You pay the full synthetic price on the invoice, but in the back, the technician reaches for whatever oil is loaded in the bulk dispensing gun because that is what is convenient, and because you will never see it happen. A 2022 consumer investigation found that oil substitution occurs in over 12% of quick lube visits, 1 in 8. And here is what makes it genuinely dangerous for drivers with newer vehicles. Modern engines built with turbochargers and variable valve timing systems, the technology that gives today's cars better power and fuel economy, are engineered to precise oil specifications. The wrong viscosity, the wrong additive package, the wrong base stock, put any of those in a turbocharged engine, and you are accelerating wear on components that cost $3,000 to $6,000 to replace. The protection is simple. Ask to see the oil container before they start. A trustworthy shop has no problem showing you. And when you get your receipt, it should list the exact oil brand, the grade, and the viscosity. If it simply says oil change with a price, that is a red flag you cannot ignore. If you have learned something today, drop a like right now, because shortcut number 1 is the one that should make every driver in America furious. And now, shortcut number 1, the one that leaves no evidence. No leak on your driveway, no noise from your engine, no warning light on your dash, nothing. Picture this. You go in for a simple oil change. The invoice comes back with additional items: a cabin air filter replacement, a tire rotation, a fuel system cleaning. You look it over. The prices seem reasonable. You pay it and drive home feeling like a responsible car owner. Here is the reality. Studies show that up to 30% of automotive service line items are for work that was either never performed or was completely unnecessary. Not occasionally, consistently. Technicians at high-volume shops operate under enormous pressure to hit weekly revenue targets. The path of least resistance is always the customer who trusts completely and never verifies. Think about what that means over time. $100 to $400 in phantom services per visit, multiple visits per year. Across the full life of a vehicle, independent audits estimate the average American driver loses thousands of dollars to uninstructed or unperformed services without ever suspecting a thing, because there is nothing to find. Your cabin filter looks exactly the same whether they changed it or not. Your tires look rotated whether they moved them or not. The invoice says it happened. You have no reason to doubt it. But there is a system that stops this cold. Before you drop your car off, write down exactly what you authorize, nothing more. When you pick it up, ask to see the old parts for anything they claim to have replaced. And here is the one that works every single time. Take a marker and put a small dot on your cabin air filter before you go in. On the housing, on the filter itself, somewhere only you know. If it comes back without that mark and they say they replaced it, they did not. You just caught them. That single habit has saved drivers I know hundreds of dollars in a single visit. I have recommended it to every car owner I have worked with for the past decade. It costs nothing. It takes 10 seconds, and it changes the entire dynamic the moment a shop knows you are paying attention. How many of these 9 shortcuts were you already watching for? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. If this video saved you even one trip to the mechanic, subscribing to Core Car is worth it. Every video we make is designed to keep more money in your pocket and more miles on your car. But before you go, there is one more thing most drivers get completely wrong every time they fill up. Core Car's next video covers the fuel myths that are quietly costing you money at every single gas station visit. It is right here. Do not miss it.